ready to create progressive house anthems that ignite dance floors. Let's dive into FL Studio and craft some serious sonic energy. First, set your tempo around 125,128 BPM Euro. The sweet spot for that signature progressive house groove. We'll start with a solid kick drum. Drag one from your library onto the channel rack, layer it with a slightly clicky kick for added punch. Next, build your bassline. I'm using Serum, but any synth works. Create a simple saw wave, tune it to the root note of your track Euro, let's say C Euro, and add a subtle cytokine compression synth to the kick. This gives it that rhythmic pumping effect. Now for the melodic hook, experiment with arpeggiated synths, pads, or even vocal chops. A simple chord progression works wonders. Try a major key for uplifting vibes or a minor key for a more melancholic feel. Add some reverb and delay to give it space. Arrangement is key. Build tension with gradual intros, breakdowns with echoing effects, and impactful drops. Automate filter cutoffs, volume, and padding to keep things interesting. Don't be afraid to use risers and white noise sweeps to create anticipation. Finally, let's touch on mixing. Use EQ to carve out space for each element, compression to glue everything together, and a touch of saturation for warmth. Remember to keep your low end clean and punchy. And there you have it, Euro, a quick start to creating progressive house in FL Studio. Keep experimenting, refining your sound, and most importantly, have fun. Now go forth and make some incredible music.